Hey tech friends, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to do factory reset on a mobile device. So in this I will guide one of the easiest and step-by-step process to do factory reset on a mobile device. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your setting application on mobile device. After opening that, now you can see here one additional setting option is there. So tap on this and inside that you will get reset option, but you can search from here directly if you want, like a reset you can search directly here, but I will show through that additional setting. Now you can see here additional setting is there, tap on this. Inside that now you can see here factory reset option is there, tap on this. Inside that now you can see here erase the following item. So before erasing all data, make sure that you will download your necessary data, what will be their information in our other mobile device, or you can keep it in the pen drive, whatever will be their storage device. You have to download all those things. After that now you can see here erase all data option is there at the down. If you will tap on this, it will be asking some permission that you want to erase. So you have to give all that permission, but here I don't want to give because my data in other device. So just I will show how to do. So after clicking on this, you have to give our permission. So in this way you can give the factory reset on your mobile device. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.